Hey guys, it's Poochie. Okay, so finally I have gotten the top rated seller status will be removed email for dropshipping on eBay on one of my accounts. Now the really interesting thing is I have several eBay accounts. Some of them are linked together, some of them are not linked together in any way, different addresses, different IPs, everything, different names. But the really interesting thing is this is an account that is linked to another account that has heavily retail arbitrage drop shipped and has not gotten that message yet. And this came in a few days ago. So let me read you what it says. Okay, we've determined that you haven't followed our selling practices policy. Therefore, we will be removing your top rated seller status until your account is in compliance with the policy. There is evidence on your account that you are purchasing items from an online retail or marketplace site after you sell them on eBay and having that retailer ship the item directly to the customer. This is in violation of the terms and conditions of our selling practices policy, which states items you list must be in your inventory, or you must have an existing agreement with a third party to fulfill the delivery of the item under the terms of your listing. Okay, so here's the thing that's really interesting about this. Let me tell you what testing I did. Okay, so I think right after Christmas I completely took off all API software. I mean, I removed everything. I removed, I think I was using AutoDS and DSM tool. I had multiples hooked up. I have used AutoDS on this account before, I know that, and DSM tool I've used before. I'm not sure if I used any other ones, but TrackerBot, I'm trying to think of what else. Maybe, I'm not sure if I used Arbiship on this one, but after Christmas, I took everything off. I removed every API connection for dropshipping software or retail arbitrage dropshipping software from this account. Okay, then, okay, the 1st of March, I waited like 2 months. Yeah, 2 months. 2 full months, listed other items that I had in stock here, sold them, shipped them from here, right, to remove the flag. Then, okay, I re-added DSM tool to this account. I'm not sure if I added any other APIs, but I know I added DSM tool to this account, okay? But okay, you know the reason why eBay and all the API software companies will tell you it's item location. You know, that's why eBay has a problem with it, because it's item location. But here's the thing. I listed United States on all the item locations of my new listings, okay? And I kept them on for between 1 and 2 weeks. Okay, 50 listings, only 50 listings, and this was through DSM tool, which again is API Retail Arbitrage Dropshipping Software. The item location, there is no mismatch because everything was listed United States and everything has shipped from United States, so that there is no possibility that this account was flagged again for item location misrepresentation. Why was it? Well, because I listed things from Amazon. Here you see the exact Amazon listing, right? I mean, it's the same as my listing, okay? You see here the Amazon listing, photo's the same, description is the same, I didn't change anything, and DSM tool is how I listed it. Now, I don't have this many, I have no idea what is going on with DSM tool, but it's because it's not hooked to my account anymore. I unhooked it from this account, right? But it was only hooked up for like 2 weeks, I think, okay? And again, I have used AutoDS on this account before also. That is where, in my opinion, the first flag came from, was from using AutoDS, but and DSM tool probably. But you can see right here that all the listings say United States. Okay, a lot of people use multiple. A lot of people, somebody say, you know, multi-state warehouse, you know, whatever, multiple locations. I just listed United States because the item is in the United States, which eBay says you can do. So why did I get the top-rated seller status removed? So the account was flagged. I did the work, the same things that I have done on 2 of my other accounts to get them unflagged. So the account was unflagged. Then I reattached it to DSM tool, did 50 listings. They were only on for a maximum of 2 weeks. Then DSM tool was removed from my account via site preferences. Okay, and still I get this: your top-rated seller status will be removed, selling practices policy. So why did I get this? This is absolutely, in my opinion, absolutely because it was hooked to an API tool that eBay knows is a retail arbitrage dropshipping tool. Are API tools a problem on eBay? No. Can you do wholesale tools? Yes. Can you do listing tools? Yes. Can you do retail arbitrage API tools? No, because then your account gets flagged, your listings get throttled, and you get this: your top-rated seller status will be removed. Okay, and it says right here, you're doing retail arbitrage dropshipping, which is against our rules. Now, how do they know that? Well, it can be item location misrepresentation, right? Yeah, it can be that, but this didn't have that on this account. So there's no other way. After I got this account unflagged, after working on it for 2 months, there's no other way that this account got flagged other than being connected to a retail arbitrage API software, such as DSM tool, AutoDS, Sale Freaks, you name it. If you want your account flagged and throttled and to lose your top-rated seller status, continue to use these tools. Otherwise, I would stop. So I hope you liked the video, and I hope it helps you. I've been testing things, like I said, to unflag accounts, to see what flag accounts, for like literally 6 months, and 4 months really heavily. So join my Facebook group. There's a lot more information for you in there. The link is down below, and thanks for watching, guys.